You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 47 over 160. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 168x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 37 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 160. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals negative 47 over 160.